How to activate Qwikcilver Amazon gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you how you can activate an Amazon gift card that you've received from Qwikcilver. In order to activate an Amazon gift card that you've received from Qwikcilver, you can follow this step. First of all, you need to log in into your Amazon account. After that, it's going to direct you to the home page. Now go to the Amazon gift card page. By clicking on a gift card, click on the profile icon and it's going to direct you to the profile page. You can usually find this option in your account section as well. So over here you need to go to your account, which is right on top. After that, under account settings, go ahead and tap on manage gift card balance. Over here you'll be asked to provide in the card, so you can see that currently I don't have a gift card balance. In order to manage your balance, go ahead and click on redeem a gift card. So you can either scan your claim code or you can just type in the claim code. After that, click on the apply to your button, which is right at the bottom, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the gift card balance has been successfully added to your Amazon account, and along with that you've successfully activated your Qwikcilver Amazon gift card. To confirm the balance, go to the gift card section again and you should see an updated gift card balance displayed. Now Qwikcilver Amazon gift card is now activated and the funds are now available for use on Amazon website or app. You can use the gift card balance to make purchase of eligible products sold by Amazon. Now Amazon policies and procedure may have changed over time, so it's always best to contact a support team and get a knowledge about it. In this way you can activate Qwikcilver Amazon gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.